Hello everyone, I am RK. I have around 15 years of experience in software development and I have taken hundreds of interviews who are coming from startups, big MNCs, and what I understand one single truth is let's discuss further. Not only the coding, there are so many skills which interviewer look into that. Today I'll share 5 interview tips which will be very useful during your interview, especially in coding round, and I'm going to share one additional tip at the end. Please continue watch, don't skip anything. Every point is very important. Point 5, fake stories and body language. You might thought that you are cooking some stories and made up some stories when interviewer asking some question. For example, you are saying that the interviewer might ask this kind of question: did you ever solve any problem related to performance issue? Even though if you don't really fix it, sometimes candidate will say, yes, I fixed it. Then interviewer will ask the next follow-up question, how you fixed it? Then again you'll cook up your story in your mind, right? Then you will say that I found the logs. Then interviewer asks what kind of tools you used. Then you again will be answering something, right? So interviewer again one more question on top of that. So until interviews really get a full knowledge, actually did you work on that, they will keep on asking you point to point questions. I'm pretty sure you cannot answer at one place and whatever you build, that whole fake story will be collapsed. So never do that. If you really didn't do it, just say that I have not done it or I didn't get a chance to work on this. Basically your body language itself, it will say that when you're talking more and giving more explanation, there itself interviewer will get to know something is fishy. Instead of faking, before you're coming to the interview, just write down actually what are the things you have done in your career from last 1 year or 6 months, and made a story on that, because that actually worked on that, right? So just prepare for that. That's stand out because you will be the honesty. That honesty stands out. Instead of faking all the stories, explain actually what you've done with small experiences. That gives more confident on you. That honesty stands out. We covered all 5 points. There are so many other points as well. We'll cover in the next videos. But I want to share all these major 5 points in this video because the video is becoming more length. However, before end this video, I would like to share one very important, that is a game changer for your resume, and I'll share in few minutes. So here is your action plan. Practice thinking loud to solve any problem. Don't tell any fake stories. Just come up with your real experience. Revise your fundamental basics, OOPS concepts, or whatever it is related to your technology. Simulate interviews. Maybe you can practice with your friends. If you do this, you are not only clearing the coding round, you will stand out as a professional. As I promised, the bonus tip is AI. I know that everyone knows nowadays about AI. Nowadays, AI is entering in interviews. What I mean, companies are checking the candidate is able to use the AI tools. The candidate has any prior experience using any AI tools or any experience of creating AI agents. Knowing how to use AI or creating AI agents, that will give massive difference between other candidates. You will be stand out. This will be applicable to all the types: freshers, students, even experienced candidates. So start exploring AI agents, prompt engineering, and agent workflows, agent tasks. And this is where the software industry is going for. And use AI tools to prepare better. We can talk about this topic also in maybe in the future videos based on the interest of the candidates, how we can use AI tools during interview preparation. So remember, interviews is not just about coding. It's about approach, communication, confidence, trust, and teamwork. And of course, the AI skills. If you really like these kind of videos, please give a comment. So basically whatever I just spoke about, all these things, very basic level I touch. These are very huge concepts. Even I did not give much examples because I am not very sure people really interested on these topics or not. If people are not interested these kind of topics, maybe it's not worth spending my time on these kind of topics. Maybe I can pick up other topics. If you really feel that this video is helpful to you, please share with your friends who are struggling to crack interview, and share your experience in comments. And at the same time, if you feel that something I need to be covered in further videos, please comment it. I'll try to cover. So usually these kind of topics which people are selling, so I want to share my knowledge for free. At least it would be helpful to one person. I'll be very happy for that. Thank you all. All the very best.